Not to go to the stairs.
Pupunta ngayon sa Scenic World, sa Katoomba. Sasakay tayo ng cable car, saka speed train. Ito yung sa ano nila, shop. Gusto nang bumili ng mga jacket. Diyan sila. Ulit na lang. Scenic Railway ang sasakyan natin ngayon pababa. Tapos maglalakad tayo doon sa baba. There are 3 different rides here inside the Scenic World. One is the Scenic Railway, and then the Scenic Skyway and the Cableway. Scenic World, located in the World Heritage listed Blue Mountains, was formerly the Katoomba coal mine, which was registered by John Britty North in 1872. However, Mr. Harry Hammond owned the place and transformed the site into tourist destinations once the coal mine was closed in 1945. Maganda panahon. The weather is so good. So, gonna have a good day today. The Scenic Railway is the steepest cable-driven funicular railway in the world. Ito. Ay, di ganda yan yung paa nyo kaya. Wow. Wow, ito meron. Ganda. Yes. Ito. Wow. Yan o. Tingnan mo naman. That's the beauty.
Bababa na? Why so quick? Ano, babalik tayo. Pero tingnan nyo sa baba kung gaano kayo taas. Pwede yan balik-balik. Balik siya. Oo. Mamaya kung gusto nila mamaya pwede tayong bumaba, tapos ako ulit. Doon na mga Ana, dito. Nanuwan. Dito ka na yun, pag umakyat siya,
Doon kami galing sa tuktok na yon. We came from up there.
Sana kasi tingin dito.
At titignan po natin itong train pataas. Okay?
We're
gonna see how this go up. Ito na. There she goes. There she goes. Sipo. Sino yan, ha? Tunin sila yun, ha? Paakyat, ha? Kita ang taas niya masyado. Ayun, ha? Ayun, ha? Tingnan mo. Ayun, ha? Very steep.
Okay, girl, I'm taking a video. Ba't sila umakyat? Yes.
Ha?
You come from mother?
Hindi, pabalik na yun doon. Wow. Building a mine, 1878. Ganda. Ganda dito. Talagang ano? Nature na nature. Ito daw, ventilation furnace 1819.
Cold ass after you got off it. What did he say about the cold thing, you thought?
No, that's just showing you what it's like, the coal. That's what they used to find. You'd start putting this structure up, and you'd do away you dig, and then put more and more and more and keep going.
Digging it.
Do you want to sit on the thing? Why did you want to sit on the thing? No.
Look, it's worn shiny. What about the two fellas?
But that's how it used to be.
What about the two fellas?
No, I don't. Those horses weren't riding.
These are the tools they use back then.
Watched the guys putting the tyres onto the rims. And if you tell people the ponies have tyres, always left side.
Tignan nyo naman, oh, daming fern. Yan, fern yan, oh. Ganda, di ba? Yan ang walkway daw. Yan, see? Super cool. Talagang piniserve po nila to. Ganda-ganda na pakagawa. Mamaya pag may time, pupunta tayo sa Wentworth Falls. Maganda din doon. For the meantime, we enjoy the view and the things here. Ganda yan ah. Yan ah, kita niyo yan. Ano, pahingahan just in case na mag-rain. Kung umulan, pwede kayo dito. Ayan.
Tignan mo nga yung natin kung ano.
Wow, ano? Ganda no? Ano naman yan, oh? Oh, di ba? Ganda. Malayo daw, malapit.
Sabi niyo, lapit lang daw, parang 10 minutes, sabi niyo.
Oo.
Oo. Ay, yung three sisters live, no?
Valley off into the distance, you'll see that blue haze along the horizon. So that's where we get our name from, the Blue Mountains. It comes from those eucalyptus trees. Their oil evaporates into the wind and then gets hit by the sunlight.
Papanit po tayo ngayon sa ano, papunta naman Skyway naman, sasakyan natin.
The cabin. Yeah, so you folks. If you have a little look down, it's in the glass at the moment, and there you go. Alrighty. There is in the whole Blue Mountains. The three sisters are there at the front right. You'll see them standing quite true and beautiful. And that big rock straight across from us up on the horizon is another doozy. That is Mount Solitary. Huge, big, 6 kilometre wide thing. It is the most popular hike in the whole Blue Mountains, in fact, to the top of that rock, with views all the way to Sydney and further. Now, it's a common thing that we get here. We get people asking us why it's called the Blue Mountains. Go. Beautiful, lovely hues of blue as far as the eye can see. Now, I'm going to change over to the left-hand side here. So, folks on the left, I'm going to let you know what's the deal with this waterfall that we're approaching here. This is
This is the Katoomba Falls. The height of these falls are 150 meters into Jameson Valley, and you can also view it from some of the rides at Scenic World, like in Scenic Skyway.
another quick thing that you may find interesting if you are looking at the... Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you.